कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें, क्या मतलब। Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neeru Arora and the topic today is PCOD, Polycystic Ovarian Disease. PCOD is very common endocrine disorder in women and girls in their reproductive age. It's usually characterized by irregular menstrual cycles, insulin resistance, and hyperandrogenism. In simple language, we can say that the menstrual cycles are absent, delayed, or prolonged with increased sugar levels in the blood and some hormonal changes like facial hair growth, acne, mood swings, weight gain, etc. So just when the menarche or the onset of menses starts in the young girls, the cycles tend to be irregular for some time. This is absolutely normal as the hormonal effect takes some time to establish in the body. But if the irregularity continues till the age of 15 or 16, then it is a thing of concern. If there is only menstrual cycle issue with or without weight gain, it can be hypothyroidism or some hormonal abnormality or simple PCOD. But if this is accompanied with acne on skin, facial hair growth, mood swings, low energy levels, unusual weight gain, food cravings, then it is known as PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome. If untreated, it can lead to type 2 diabetes, obesity, anxiety or mood disorders, and infertility. Let us understand what PCOD is. Menstrual cycle can be of 25 to 35 days. In some females, it can be of 40 days also, but more than 35 days we usually consider delayed. Each cycle, the ovary releases one egg from a dominant follicle. After ovulation, the remaining follicle transforms into a progesterone-producing structure, which is known as corpus luteum, which shrinks and disappears in the next 12 to 14 days. But in PCOD, what happens that there is follicular arrest. That is, the follicles do not grow more than 5 to 7 mm, and they are seen in the ultrasound as small multiple cysts, and that's where the name polycystic has come from. So in the absence of the follicle growth, there is no ovulation and we do not get the cycle. If the growth is delayed and the ovulation is delayed, we get the delayed cycles. So that is what happens in PCOD. So once the onset of menses takes place, try to have a healthy lifestyle and have a balanced quantity of carbs and fats. If any irregularity is noted, consult your doctor and get your thyroid, your insulin and your hormonal levels checked. Conventional treatment of PCOD is hormonal or contraceptive pills along with anti-glycemics and anti-androgenics. In homeopathy, we treat the problem without giving any external hormone and balancing the flow of hormones inside the body with safe and oral medication. In the end, I would like to say that PCOD or PCOS is not a disease. It's a disorder which can be well treated with homeopathic medicines and a healthy lifestyle. See you soon in my next podcast on anxiety and depression. Till then, take care.